Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the parts that let the Ufo Cpm fly and stay stable. Grab a rigid frame, motors matched to prop size, a 3s or 4s LiPo, ESCs that match motor amperage, and a flight controller with PWM or CAN outputs. You do this now so assembly flows. Once parts are verified, soldering and mounting becomes straightforward. Make sure to check motor kV versus prop diameter so you don't overload the battery or ESC during the build. Now you assemble propulsion and control systems. Mount motors symmetrically to avoid yaw bias, then wire each ESC to the flight controller and connect battery power with an XT60 or similar connector. Solder and shrink tube all joints, secure with zip ties, and balance props. Once done, calibrate each ESC and set motor directions in the controller software so inputs produce predictable thrust. You should test motor spin without props first, then with guards, to confirm stability and correct responses. Finish by calibrating sensors and tuning flight parameters so your Ufo Cpm behaves reliably. You calibrate the accelerometer, gyro, and compass, then run short indoor hover tests at low throttle while logging data. If you see drift or oscillation, adjust PID gains incrementally and rebalance props. Those are the most common fixes. Make sure firmware is up to date and check vibration isolation. If logging shows persistent errors, replace a suspect motor or dampen the frame and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.